Dear students, today we are going to continue the chapter acids, bases and salts. Now what are indicators? It is not safe to taste every substance to find out as it is acidic or basic. So there are some special substances that have different colors in acidic and basic mediums. These substances are known as indicators. The indicators change their color when added to a solution containing an acidic or a basic substance. Some natural indicators are litmus, turmeric, China rose, etc. Litmus is a naturally occurring indicator and it is obtained from certain lichens, small plants and used as a dilute solution. In an acidic solution it turns red, while in a basic solution it turns blue. Now turmeric is another natural indicator. It is said to be haldi in Hindi. Turmeric is a bright yellow color powder obtained from a plant. Turmeric contains yellow dye and it gives red color in basic solutions and it remains yellow in acidic solution. Now China rose is also a natural indicator. It is called gudhal in Hindi. It is a light pink colored solution and it gives green color in bases and pink color in acids. Now what is neutralization reaction? Acid and bases are chemically opposite substances. So when an acid is mixed with a base, they neutralize each other's effect and give salt and water. In the process of neutralization, salt and water are produced with the evolution of heat. For example, acid plus base is equal to salt plus water. Now, what is neutralization in everyday life? The neutralization reaction involving acids and bases plays a very important role in our everyday life. The treatment of an anti-sting, remedy for indigestion, soil treatment and the treatment of waste all involve neutralization reaction. For example, indigestion. Our stomach produces HCl acid or hydrochloric acid. This acid helps in digesting our food, but sometimes excess of HCl acid is produced in the stomach which causes indigestion. So due to indigestion, sometimes a person feels pain in the stomach and irritation. To relieve indigestion, we take an antacid such as milk of magnesia or magnesium hydroxide. Milk of magnesia contains a base called magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide neutralizes the excess acid present in the stomach and cures indigestion. Another antacid is baking soda, which is easily available in our kitchens. It is also known as sodium hydrogen carbonate. Now ant bite. When an ant bites, it injects an acidic liquid into the skin of the person which causes burning pain. The sting of an ant contains an acid called formic acid. The effect of the acid can be neutralized by rubbing a mild base like baking soda solution or calamine solution. Calamine solution contains a base called zinc carbonate. Hence, being a base, baking soda solution or calamine solution neutralizes the acidic liquid injected by the ant and cancel its effect. When the soil maybe become acidic, more acidic or basic, then the plant do not grow well. So if the soil at a place is too acidic or too basic, excessive use of chemical fertilizers make the soil acidic. So farmers treat it with quicklime or chuna. These bases neutralize the excess acid present in the soil and reduce its acidic nature. The waste substances discharged by many factories contain acids. If this factory waste are allowed to flow into the water bodies, then the acid present in them will kill fish and other organisms which live in the water bodies. So the factory waste are therefore neutralized by adding the basic substances before discharging them into water bodies. So this is neutralization reaction, and next we will see in our next video. Thank you.